Hey guys, it's your boy Aidrick. Uh, Today I'll be teaching you guys how I made a cool vibey R&B type kind of beat. It's a very cool chill beat, something that you would probably enjoy when you hear. Very nice the guitar loop. I had a guitar loop, so this is the guitar loop. This one I actually reversed this one I'm about to play now. I reversed it into this one. Yeah, this is the actual guitar loop, so I reversed it into the first one you heard. So that's why it sounds like reversing it, but this is the actual one. Yeah, so this is the two together. Then I added the piano. I added the piano sound just to make it to spice things up a bit. So this is how it sounds. Yeah, so all three together, this is how they sound. So going to the vocals, I added some vocals into it just to make it very, very unique, give it that cool chill vibe. I was going for something very, very touching, something that any artist could relate to. So this is how the whole melody sounds together. Then let's go to the perks, the hi-hats, snare. Then I added open hat. Then I gave it this the audio drum and the whole drum stuff. Where I wanted it to sound very, very acoustic. Besides from the drum, the kick itself, so the open hats, the hi-hats, the snare, they were all acoustic drum kits. Let me put it that way. Yeah, then of course my tag. Slow it down. I ain't gonna slow down, man. So I guess altogether we gave it this unique sound. Yeah, this is with the vocals. Yeah, so the vocals are a bit high. I observed it when I was listening to it, so I'm trying to reduce it so that it doesn't cover up the whole idea of the whole stuff. It's supposed to be underground. So after I'm done, although I've already mixed and mastered everything, so I just want you guys to hear how the whole thing sounds. So this is already finished work. I just decided to dissect the whole this thing for you guys. So maybe much later I can go in depth on how I made it, probably the mixing and the mastering. Mixing actually, no mastering here. So it's a very, very chill vibe. So I'll play from the top for you guys to just vibe, listen through the whole instrumental, the whole beat. So thanks for watching. This is my first video I'll be posting on YouTube. I've made a couple of videos like this, but on my Instagram and probably on other social media handles. I've never really posted any of them on my YouTube page. So this is my first actual video on YouTube. I would love if you guys can go subscribe, share, make comments and stuff. So thanks for watching.